Hi, I'm JC De La Peña. I'm a certified public accountant by profession, a former government auditor for 3 years, and I'm also a breadwinner. That's why I felt the need to have an additional source of income. 6 years ago, my friend invited me to this career, and sabi ko, kaya ko ba siya? Hindi ako magaling kumausap ng tao, wala rin akong sales background. Pero after a few tries, I finally gave in. Sabi ko, try ko na rin kasi baka dito kumita ako. For the past 6 years, ang dami nangyaring maganda, ang daming nabigay sa akin itong amazing na career na to. Nakapag-travel kami ng family ko abroad, for free, syempre. And then, nag-improve yung lifestyle namin ng family. So, mas nabigay ko yung comfortable life sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. Last year, napatayo namin yung Olympus Summit Life Insurance Agency. So, buti na lang, tinry ko talaga. So, sa inyo, excited na kami na kayo naman yung magtayo ng mga next branches nyo. Again, this is JC De La Peña, CEO and President of Olympus Summit Life Insurance Agency.
Before joining PruLife UK, I was working as an audit associate in one of the leading audit firms in the country. After a few months, one of my good friends, JC De La Peña, invited me to try the career in Pru. So May 2018, I attended the career preview in Makati to check the side hustle opportunity in the insurance industry. And after more than a month, I eventually became a licensed financial advisor. Fast forward, I tried the career for 9 months as a part-timer and eventually become a full-time financial advisor afterwards. And here we are now, 6 years later, sobrang daming naitulong na ni Pru. I was able to buy the dream car of my parents. I was able to travel the world for free. Europe, US, and several countries in Asia. And all our efforts are being recognized and acknowledged by the company. Very, very grateful for that. I am Cecil De Castro, CEO and President of Aspire Summit Life Insurance Agency.
I was working in a BPO company for 2 years nung first time ako na-invite ng friend ko to join Pru. Pero immediately, dinecline ko siya kasi medyo marami pa akong gusto gawin sa priorities ko. Pero during that time na dumaan, yung 2 years na dumaan, nakita ko and na-witness ko yung mga changes sa life ng friend ko. Yan. Kasi nakikita ko yung branding niya, nakikita ko yung growth niya personally, and doon ako na-entice. Sabi ko, ano yung binibigay ng career sa mga nagjo-join sa kanya? To be honest, I was earning really well naman sa work ko. Actually, enough naman siya for me, pero yun yung problem. For me lang siya enough. I had bigger goals for myself, especially for my family. Yung work kay Pru is effort-based. Mas masipag ka, mas malaki mga pangarap mo, mas mabilis ka mag-grow. So right now, grabe yung blessings na binibigay sa akin ng career. Pero hindi lang for me. For my family din, for my friends, for the agents under the branch. I get to spend as much time na gusto ko with my family. I get to travel with them for free. All that while enjoying income, personal growth dito sa career na to. I'm very happy na trinay ko siya. From my comfort zone to now living a very comfortable life. So this is Kervin Cabusora, Branch Manager of New Summit Life Insurance Agency.
Hi, I am Jel Dizon. I used to be a tax and business services supervisor in an Australian auditing firm. And being in the industry for around 8 years almost, I saw that business is really the way to go. Right? Business is really the way to go. So I really pursued for businesses, but I had challenges with time. With that challenge, I started going for franchise. I went to a franchise expo around March of 2017, and at that franchise expo, I saw PruLife UK. Nagtaka ako kasi bakit may PruLife UK dito? Usually, hindi sila yung mga common franchises. I went up to one of the agents there, and now my recruiter, Dom Galang, he said, attend ka lang ng preview so you would know more. After attending the preview, I saw how it can help not only me, but also the people around me. I saw that it can be a business. I saw the opportunities available made not only for me, but also to the people who I can bring in this business. After almost 7 years in the industry, PruLife UK has provided for me and for my family financially. It has also provided free travels, and for myself, it has provided that character development that I was looking for. Second, it has also provided that freedom towards control of my time. Again, this is Jel Dizon, CEO and Unit GA owner of Lunar Summit Life Insurance Agency.
I'm a former telco engineer, and back in 2015, nag-invest na ako sa stock market. Yung mga friends ko, they were asking paano din mag-invest sa stock market, as I was sharing it sa social media. Out of my fear na kapag nagturo ako ng stock market at magkamali at masisi nila, I prayed for enlightenment kay God. Paano ko sila matutulungan? Blessing in disguise, nag-message sa akin yung recruiter ko, si BM Pat, 2 years bago ako kumuha sa kanya. And then, I joined PruLife UK. So, nung nag-join ako dito sa Pru, I don't have any sales background. Ang bit-bit ko lang is sex appeal. God, through PruLife UK, blessed me with all the things that I want and with a meaningful and fulfilling career. This is Gian Amard Elumbaring, Branch Manager of Alpha Life Insurance Agency.
Hello everyone, I'm Kenneth Lee, one of the branch manager under 2 Summit District, leading Dynamic Summit Life Insurance Agency. Before joining PruLife UK, I was a certified public accountant, working as an auditor in SGB. Later on, I worked as a finance manager in ABS-CBN. It was that time na na-invite ako ng good friend ko and childhood friend ko dito sa PruLife UK. At first, sabi niya sa akin, Kenneth, supportahan mo lang ako dito sa PruLife UK. Tignan mo lang. I was hesitant. Pero syempre, nung sinabi niya sa akin, to be honest, na meron daw free food and then buffet daw during that time, na-convince niya akong sumama. And nung nakita ko naman yung opportunity, I joined PruLife UK. Then, a few years after, doon ko lang na-realize, doon lang ako na-in-love kay PruLife UK. Nasabi ko, as years goes by, unti-unti, na natutupad yung pangarap ko para sa sarili ko, and not only to myself, but syempre dun sa family ko. So, 7 years in the business now, kabili na rin ako siguro for myself and for my family ng condo unit. It's my first, and an SUV car. And then, na-open ko yung general agency, or kapag-incorporate kami last 2022. Meron na rin syempre mga savings na nakuha. With all these blessings, I can only thank syempre the Lord, my clients, my family, and syempre my teammates. Here in PruLife UK, there is always a better tomorrow.
Before joining Pru, I used to work as a software developer, and I really enjoyed being part of the IT industry. And then one day, I met my partner and now my husband, which is BM Dom Galang. And from there, nakita ko personally paano nag-progress yung kanyang lifestyle and income. And doon ako na-entice and curious about what PruLife UK can offer. And bilang anak ng isang OFW and the eldest among our siblings, naghahanap ako ng ways paano ko makakatulong para matulungan ko sila to experience all the best things that life can offer. Kaya nag-volunteer ako to attend the career preview. And ever since that day, I said yes, and that was one of the best life decisions that I have ever made. Basta ang alam ko lang, ever since I joined Pru, I always tried my best to give my family the life that they deserve. And I think you would agree with me na kapag para sa family, walang sobra-sobra, lahat ibibigay. And also with the help of PruLife UK, I have traveled to multiple countries for free and being pampered ng VIP treatment along the travels. And I have also met friends and been inspired by a lot of people who has the same aspirations and dreams as me through the Pru community. And I am forever grateful with Pru Life UK and that I have found the career of a lifetime. So my name is Erica Galang. I am the CEO and President of Stellar Race Summit Life Insurance Agency.
Hi, I'm Patrick Valencia. I'm a former equity research analyst. 13 years ago, I joined the life insurance industry kasi I was looking for as extra source of income. So, medyo, at that time, meron akong pinag-iipunan. Gusto ko sana magkaroon ng medyo steady stream of income. So, that's why I was able to join the life insurance industry nung in-offer sa akin si Pru Life. So, una pa nga nun, sabi ko, magkano ba kitaan dyan? So, nung minention sa akin na I can earn through commissions up to 45%, basta masipag ka, kikita ka ng maganda dito at desente, makakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao. Sabi sa akin, yun yung explanation kung paano nag-work yung insurance business. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang kaya ko naman siguro. Pero yun nga lang, parang may problema tayo doon. Ang alam ko, medyo mahihain ako. So, as a person, medyo ako yung tipong hindi kita kakausapin pag hindi mo ko pansinin. Pero pagka medyo body-body tayo, makulit ako. So, sabi ko, anyways, medyo matindi pangangailangan natin, subukan na lang din natin yung business. So, fast forward, I joined the industry November of 2013. So, it was 11 years ago actually. So, medyo yung business ng insurance sa akin, mapagsubok nung nagso-start ako. So, medyo alam mo yung mga friends mo, tetest ka nila. Tapos, titignan nila kung okay ka ba ka-deal, okay ka ba magpresenta, kung okay ka ba talaga doon sa commitment mo. Good enough naman, so at least yung commitment ko na fulfill ko sa kanila, na nagawa ko, napakita ko na maging okay din ako sa business. So sipagan lang. Eventually, I was able to get several clients. Yung several clients ko na yon, some of them nagbato sa akin ng several people to get a policy from me as well. Some of them actually joined me in the industry. So that's the story where kumbaga na-create ko yung team ko, and it started in 2014. So 10 years ago, mag-isa lang ako sa business na to, and then I was able to bring some of my friends na kagaya ko, naghahanap din ng extra stream of income. Yung mga tipong kagaya ko na mahiyain, hindi masyadong mahilig makipag-usap, mga kaibigan mong walang sales background, mga kaibigan mo na parang hindi rin alam kung sino yung bebentahan. So, may mga tipong magkakaibigan when we started, hinahanap namin kung paano i-figure out yung business. Tapos sabay-sabay namin na-figure out. Nakahanap kami ng clients with the tulong ng sipag. Siyempre, of course, yung mga trainings, nandoon siya. And I think most important, yung pinaka naging okay dito, na-enjoy namin yung ginagawa namin. Kasi we tend to talk to different people. We add value sa kanila kasi maraming tao medyo hindi na nakikita yung value ng insurance. So, to begin with, especially kapag nag-start na magkaroon ng income. So, usually, ang ginagawa namin, i-share namin paano nag-work yung pagsisave, paano nag-work yung mga investment programs, paano nag-work yung risk management, especially sa insurance. And from there, konti-konti, dumami na. Ayan. So, yun yung simpleng story kung paano nag-start yung insurance business natin dito sa Pru Life. Ngayon, fast forward, so I've been with the industry 11 years na. So, pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, maraming perks na naibigay sa akin to. Unang-una, natulungan niya kayo fast forward yung goals ko. Isa dun sa mga goals ko is, of course, to purchase a house for my parents. So, sabi ko, ipunin ko siguro to mga 5-7 years. Sabi ko, sige, trabahuhin ko, galingan ko kay Pru Life. So, out of those commissions and people namang nagtiwala sa akin, so, yung goal ko to purchase a house about 7 years, naging 2 to 3 years lang. So, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Yun yung pinakaunang goal na fulfill ko dito. Sumunod doon, I think ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, merong time flexibility. When we have time flexibility kasi, I can spend more time doon sa kids ko. So, I have 2 kids kasi, one 4 years old, tapos isang 1 year old. So, of course, every time na I go to meet my teammates, to attend some trainings, maybe to meet some clients, kasama ko sila. And then I have this opportunity as well to bring my son going to school. So, every morning, so which is something na nakakatuwa. Kasi alam naman natin, ang buhay, mabilis lang lalaki yung mga bata eh. So, of course, yun yung pinaka nagusto ko, the time flexibility. Tapos, yung parents ko, we can meet anytime we want. So, dadalawin namin or bibisita sila. maybe we can travel together. So, isa yun sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa business ito. And I think pinakamasaya dito, number 3, na-mention ko kanina, pinakamaganda na fast forward yung goals ko. Okay? So, bukod dun sa goals na yon, yung pagta-travel kasi na ibigay na igi sa amin ni Pru. So, we were able to experience some of the trips na binibigay ng company if pagtrabahuhan mo yung incentive, galingan mo. So, you get these rewards, tapos you can bring in your family for you to have these travel incentives. So, hanggang 4 na tao, actually. So, most of the time when we go to travel, kasama ko yung wife ko and yung 2 kids ko. And sometimes we bring in our parents. So, masaya siya kasi this is the time na mas nakakapag-bonding kami. We get to, kumbaga, know each other, mas magiging deeper in connection, and we get to explore the world. So, yun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito. And lastly, number 4, I think yung ginagawa dito sa insurance business na ibigay sa akin ni Pru Life, of course, yung skill set. So, kumbaga, yung dating hindi ako na mahiyain, ganyan. So, hindi ko alam kung paano may pag-usap. Actually, nabago siya. So, in terms of communication skills, yung knowledge, yung kumbaga parang way mo to help others, nabigyan ako ng opportunity and skill. So, of course, to bring in some of my friends dito, ma-experience ko ng experience namin. And I had this, kumbaga, experience din, something that I can teach dun sa kids ko as they grow older. So, those are the 4 things na nagustuhan ko dito sa insurance business. So, I hope itong insurance business, mas marami pang buhay yung mabago. So, in terms of our clients, sa mga fellow Filipino natin. So, sana mas maraming maka-appreciate ng insurance. And of course, nandito kami ng mga insurance agents to explain, of course, to share the value of having life insurance. And as a career also, this is a career that can change yung lives natin. So, we get to help people. At the same time, natutulungan din natin yung sarili natin to fast forward our goals. Actually, those are the 4 things na nagustuhan ko dito sa life insurance business kay Pru Life UK. So, yun yung mga nabago niya sa akin and perks na nakuha ko. So, actually, itong insurance business, napakaganda niya. So, we have an opportunity to help other people. So, in terms if we reach our prospects, friends, and clients natin, matuturo natin yung value of having life insurance. So, hopefully, matulungan natin yung mga fellow Filipinos natin to understand more about life insurance. So, of course, as agents, as life insurance agents, nandito yung team namin. Of course, accepting part-timers, career agents, those who are career shifters then also, who wants to who wants to provide impact in the society. So, to share the value of having life insurance, to share the value of financial literacy.
As our dreams come to life.
We are 2 Summit Life Insurance Agency, a branch of Pru Life UK. We are excited to work with you, and I hope you join the life insurance industry. So you are very welcome to join our team. See you!